Okay, so hello and welcome everyone. Today we will discuss about the study of ABO blood group system in human. So as we know, the blood is a very important component of our body and it plays an important role in maintaining our physiology. So the blood, so definition of blood is it is a fluid connective tissue, and this fluid connective tissue, that is blood, it consists of the cellular component, and cellular component consists of RBC, WBC and platelet, and fluid component it consists of plasma, which consists of antibodies. So blood, it is circulated uh, throughout the body with the help of arteries, veins, heart, and it plays an important role, such as it carries the oxygen to the different parts and cells of the body, and from where it collects the toxic gas, that is CO2. As well as the blood plays an important role in maintaining the vital functions of the body. So vital functions are the functions which are essential, without which we cannot survive. So basically the blood uh, consists of four types of blood groups, basically A, B, AB and O. But beside these, based on rhesus factor, blood can be further classified into respective positive and negative blood group. For example, if Rh factor is present, then such blood group will be called as a positive blood group, and if the Rh factor is absent, then such blood group is called as negative blood group. For example, here A blood group. Okay, so if rhesus factor is present, then we can call the A blood group as A positive, and if the rhesus factor or the Rh factor is absent, then we can call it as A negative. So basically, uh, the blood group, it is genetically controlled, so it is inherited from the parents. So there are uh, four types of blood groups, and these four types of blood groups are based on a type of antigen which is present on the outer membrane of RBC. So for example, here in type A or type A blood group, the RBC consists of A antigen on its surface or on its membrane, and in type B, the outer membrane of RBC consists of antigen B. In AB blood group, the outer membrane of RBC consists of antigen A as well as antigen B. So that's why this blood group is called as AB blood group. And uh, O blood group, it does not consist of any type of antigen. So the outer membrane of RBC, in case of blood group O, there is no any antigen. So basically, what is this antigen? So here in this diagram, we can uh, see from left to right, the A blood group, it consists of antigen A, which is precursor oligosaccharide. The B blood group, it consists of galactose. The AB blood group, it consists of antigen A as well as antigen B, that is the N uh, acetyl galactosamine and galactose. And in O blood group, there is no galactose, there is no acetyl galactosamine. So basically, antigen A, it is N-acetyl galactosamine, and antigen B, it is galactose. So these antigens remain attached to the outer surface of RBC. But in O blood group, there is no antigen A, there is no antigen B. But while as in AB blood group, both the antigens are present on the outer surface of RBC. So these are the 4 blood group based on the type of antigen present on outer surface of RBC. So let's begin with our practical blood typing, that means a detection of blood group and cross matching. So it is very important to know our blood group, because in case of blood transfusion it will be a very severe case if the doctor or any medical practitioner does not know the blood group of the patient. So first thing is done to find out the blood group of patient. So basically beside the antigen A and B, the rhesus factor, this protein is also present on the surface of RBC, and based on which the presence or absence of rhesus factor we can uh, identify the blood group as positive or negative. If rhesus factor is present, then such blood group will be called as positive blood group. If rhesus factor is absent, such blood group is called as negative blood group. So determination of blood group and why it is essential to know our blood group. So first point is uh, the blood typing is done so you can safely donate your blood or receive a blood during the blood transfusion. Then it is also done to see if you have Rh factor on the surface of your red blood cell. Then blood is often grouped according to ABO blood group typing system. So there are 4 major types of blood groups: A, B, AB and O. So to find out the blood group in laboratory, we need the anti-sera kit, which consists of anti-A, anti-B and anti-D. So basically anti-A, it is uh, used to find out the blood group A, B it is used to find out the blood group B, and anti-D it is used to find out whether the blood group is Rh positive or negative. So in case we have placed the 3 drops over the glass slide and we add anti-A in first drop, anti-B in second drop and anti-D in third drop of our blood. So we need to observe where the blood coagulates so as to find out our blood group. So the steps, first step is mark a slide A, B and D. Then second step is add a blood sample. And the third step is we need to add anti-A, anti-B and anti-D in each blood drop which we have taken over the slide. And the fourth step, mix the blood and antigen using mixing stick. So one point to remember here, that we should not mix the antigen and blood by using a same point of the stick. We need to use a different point to mix the antigen and blood. So this slide or this diagram demonstrate the type of blood group after mixing the blood with anti-sera. So from left to right, in the first slide, this diagram showing the A positive blood group as well as A negative. So we can clearly observe the difference between A positive and A negative. So in first slide, in A positive blood group, the blood is coagulated in anti-A and anti-D. So there is no any coagulation in anti-B. So it means A is present and D represent the rhesus factor. So A positive. While as in below diagram, there is no any coagulation in anti-D. The coagulation can be seen only in anti-A. So A negative. Okay. So same refers to the other diagram. So all these diagrams are presenting the type of reaction that we can observe in each particular blood group. Okay. So B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive and O negative. So in case of AB positive blood group, the blood coagulates in anti-A, anti-B as well as anti-D. While as in O negative blood group, there is no any type of coagulation in anti-A, anti-B and anti-D. Okay. So, in blood group system, AB positive blood group is